Understanding gross sales and revenue. In the world of business, it's essential to understand the difference between gross sales and revenue. While these terms are often used interchangeably, they have distinct meanings. Here, we are explain what gross sales and revenue are and provide a case study to illustrate the concept. Gross sales. Gross sales refer to the total amount of sales made by a company before any deductions are made for expenses, such as the cost of goods sold, taxes, and discounts. Gross sales represent the total dollar amount of all goods or services sold during a given period of time. Revenue. Revenue, on the other hand, refers to the income generated by a company after deductions are made for expenses such as the cost of goods sold, taxes, and discounts. Revenue is the amount of money a company earns from the sale of its products or services. Case study. Let's consider a case study to illustrate the difference between gross sales and revenue. ABC Company sells bicycles. During the first quarter of the year, it sold 500 bicycles at a price of $500 each. The company also offered a discount of 10% to customers who paid in cash, resulting in a total discount of $25,000. Additionally, the cost of producing each bicycle was $300. The gross sales for the first quarter would be calculated as follows. Gross sales equals number of bicycles sold x price per bicycle. Gross sales equals 500 x $500. Gross sales equals $250,000. The revenue for the first quarter would be calculated as follows. Revenue equals gross sales, discounts, cost of goods sold. Revenue equals $250,000 to $25,000, $300 x 500. Revenue equals $100,000. Conclusion. In this case, the gross sales were $250,000, but the revenue was $100,000. This illustrates the difference between gross sales and revenue, where gross sales represent the total amount of sales made by the company, while revenue represents the income generated by the company after deductions are made for expenses. We hope this script has helped you understand the difference between gross sales and revenue. By keeping these concepts in mind, you can make more informed business decisions and ensure the financial success of your company.